A staggering 1/4 of Americans admit to dealing with a major clutter problem. This is hardly surprising, given that the average home accommodates a staggering 300,000 items. Beyond the physical clutter, there's an emotional toll as well. Today, we dive into the inspiring journey of Junk King, a story that began in the heart of a cluttered garage and led to the transformation of spaces and lives.
My name is Michael Andriacchi. I am the founder of Junk King. Started Junk King in 2005, and then the franchise model we started to look at around 2008, 2009, and awarded our first franchise in San Jose and Columbus, Ohio around 2010. To me, our mission statement is treat others as you would like to be treated. You're only as good as your best and worst employee, so we want to create a culture within your individual business, with your team and staff, and with corporate, which then will lead on to our customers.
As a trailblazer in the junk removal industry, Junk King has consistently showcased its innovation in a sector often characterized by conventionality.
When you hire Junk King, when we started, we went with an 18 cubic yard truck. We did that because we wanted our trucks to be 20% bigger than our competitors. So as our team comes out to your home or your business, we normally come with 2 individuals on the trucks. We do all the work for you. You show us the piles or items that you want hauled away, we do all the work for you, and then we sweep up and clean up, and hopefully we're out of your hair, and that stress of you having your junk is now gone. As we looked at the business and being competitive with price and being competitive with convenience for the customer, a few years back we went into dumpsters. Dumpsters are different than the full service is a drop-off service. And it just allows you to kind of sort and clean your garage and throw the junk away at the same time. And recently we've now gone into the Junk King bag.
One innovation is the JK dumpster bag. Made with heavy-duty material, the JK dumpster bag unfolds easily, holds its shape while you're filling it, and takes up the little space of 32 square feet.
I think the dumpster bag is beneficial because you can do it on your time. You can kind of hold on for it for a week or 2 weeks or a month or however long you want until you're ready to load that bag. The bags really help with kind of the convenience of being able to put them wherever you want.
And when it's full, it can contain up to 3 cubic yards of debris or up to 3,000 pounds of junk. That's over 1.5 tons. Beyond their drive for innovation, Junk King's heart beats for sustainability. Michael's truly passionate about making a positive impact on our environment and keeping our planet happy through recycling and donating.
The recycling is important to Junk King and always has been, literally from day one. When I started early on, you would go to a landfill, you would dump a load, they would try to recycle what they can, but really we were just building mountains in our local area. So we'd drive the truck up and we'd park. A week later, the truck would be higher, and a week later it'd be higher than that. So we always wanted to do what we could to minimize that effort. We work with a lot of nonprofits. One, we donate a free full truck so they can do in some of their auctions, so free junk removal, and then the proceeds go back to the nonprofit. Other ways we help are to give items that we pick up on the jobs and to give back to the nonprofit organization. So Women Against Domestic Violence, Habitat for Humanity. We've worked with the American Breast Cancer Association.
Junk King recycles up to 60% of every job, and they have recycling centers in their locally owned locations. They're also a proud member of the National Recycling Coalition and the Environmental Protection Agency's WasteWise program. Originating right from the bustling streets of San Francisco, Junk King has its roots firmly planted in the city's vibrant landscape. And when it comes to making the right choice for junk removal here in San Francisco, Junk King stands out as the prime option.
It's kind of fun for me as the founder and starting with one truck to look at the map of Junk King and see these dots all over the country. But more importantly, we started here in the San Francisco Bay Area on the peninsula. So my local area, we service Mountain View to San Francisco, but we have really great franchisees in the North Bay who cover Marin, Napa, and Santa Rosa. And in the East Bay, we cover all of the East Bay from Fremont to Hercules to Black Hawk and that whole territory, as well as in the South, San Jose, Santa Clara, Gilroy, and we work our way to Monterey and Santa Cruz. And so we really feel like if you just pick up the phone and call 888-888-JUNK, we'll be able to service you, your friends, and family.
Beyond homes, Junk King also provides an array of commercial junk removal services, serving businesses of every size and sector.
Although Junk King is normally looked at as a consumer brand, we actually work with a lot of kind of B2B type industries. I think the one we're really good at is working with realtors.
Junk King is a great vendor to be able to offer to my clients. We're constantly looking to declutter and depersonalize real estate before we list it for sale. Junk King's very, very efficient. They have same-day service, so we can call them that morning and have them come later that afternoon. They recycle the majority of the contents that they remove from our clients' homes, and it's a huge help for us, and they're fast. Oftentimes when we're preparing a property for sale, things are moving really quickly. We're working with landscaping, stagers, painters, cleaners, flooring contractors, and so if we get into a situation where we need contents removed quickly, they're our go-to guy. Being a busy real estate agent in the Bay Area, junk removal is just one less thing that I need to worry about. Junk King completely takes that off my plate. It's just one less thing that we all need to deal with.
To learn more about Junk King and their services, visit their website at junkking.com. And as always, you can visit us at designingspaces.tv.